にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Grammar video 122 and today is the first time to study the conditionals. In Japanese, there are 4 words to say the conditionals. To, tara, nara, and ba. Today we're going to study only to. Grammatically, we can use to with dictionary form of the verb and also knife form and adjectives and to and also noun with to. But today we're going to study only in the dictionary form and to. In the case when we use to, it means when something happens and 100% sure these other things were going to happen. So when we use a sentence with to, the subordinate clause, this is the cause. And after this to, the principal sentence, the main sentence, it is the sequence, and this is the strong relationship with the first one, the subordinate clause, and main clause. And this is gonna happen, sure. When the spring comes, flowers bloom. When the spring comes, we can say 春が来ます. Or we can also use with the verb なります to become. 春になります. When the spring, when it becomes spring, okay? 春になります. Then we must change なります to the dictionary form. 春になる. Flowers bloom. 花が咲きます. We need to use this が. The particle が something が咲きます。花が咲きます。Flowers bloom. 春になると花が咲きます。春になると花が咲きます。When the winter comes or when it becomes winter, the snow falls. 冬になると雪が降ります。冬になると雪が降ります。As this to shows a condition, and after that, the result always come. So English translation, you can say if, but also you can say when. And please don't get confused with the particle, the connecting particle, to. For example, あなたと私, you and me. And this is the 2 nouns, and we can connect with to. But today we are studying the conditional using to, but today it's only the dictionary form and to. We use this expression, dictionary form and to, when we want to tell someone how to get someplace. If you go straight this street, then there will be a bank. The adverb straight, we say まっすぐ. We can use these kanjis ま and す, but we usually write in hiragana まっすぐ. この道をまっすぐ行くと、この道をまっすぐ行くと銀行があります。この道をまっすぐ行くと銀行があります。If you turn right at this corner, then there will be a post office. The corner, we say 角 with this kanji, 角. But this kanji we can also pronounce 角. 角, it is horn, the animal's horn or antler. And also 角. 角, it means angle. For example, if we say 三角, 三角, it means triangle. The word of direction, 左, the left, 右, the right. The verb 曲がります. It means to turn or to go round. In this case, transitive verb. But 曲がります can also be intransitive verb. In this case, the English translation is to be bent. この角を右へ曲がります。右へ曲がると、この角を右へ曲がると、郵便局が あります。この角を右へ曲がると郵便局があります。If you go left at this corner, then there'll be a kindergarten. A kindergarten, we say 幼稚園。幼稚園。この角を左へ曲がります。左へ曲がると、この角を左へ曲がると、幼稚園があります。この角を左へ曲がると幼稚園があります。What's gonna happen if you drink alcohol or if you drink sake? Very useful expression to remember. どうなりますか？ What's gonna happen? どうなる？What's gonna happen? Both the same. どうなりますか？どうなる？お酒を飲む。お酒を飲むとどうなりますか？お酒を飲むとどうなりますか？ When I drink sake, I always get headache. Other very useful expression when I've got a headache. 頭 something 頭が the particle が this is important 頭が痛い this is like e adjective but it means to have pain in some place or in this case 頭が痛い you translate like headache or I've got headache 頭が痛いお腹 this is stomach or the belly お腹が痛い I've got a stomachache お腹が痛いです And if I've got a pain in my eyes, 目が痛いです。So something が痛い。I've got some pains in this part. 痛い This is e adjective. So if I want to use with this expression なります then this e adjective, the last e, you must change to く。痛くなります。頭が痛くなります。It means my headache is gonna begin. 痛くなります。お酒を飲むと、いつも頭が痛くなります。お酒を飲むと、いつも頭が痛くなります。As this と means when something happens, the sequence, this is for sure. So in this case, adverb like this, いつも always, this is very good to use. When my father drinks some milk, he always gets some stomachache, but without any exception. お父さんは牛乳を飲むと、必ずお腹が痛くなります。お父さんは牛乳を飲むと必ずお腹が痛くなります。So the sentence with this と this adverb 必ず without any fail, without any exception, always 必ず this adverb is also very suitable to use with と What's gonna happen if I push this button? Button, we say ボタン and the verb 押します to push 押します or also 押します to push このボタンを押すとどうなりますか？このボタンを押すとどうなりますか？このボタンを押すとどうなる？ If you push this button, the change comes out. Change, we say お釣り and 出ます in this case intransitive verb. So the お釣り comes out. お釣りが出ます We must use the particle が because this is intransitive verb in this case. This verb 出ます can also be the transitive verb. For example, 家を出ます I go out from the house. このボタンを押すとお釣りが出ます。このボタンを押すとお釣りが出ます。If you eat snacks every day, Oh, you'll get fat, you know? 毎日お菓子を食べると、毎日お菓子を食べると太りますよ。毎日お菓子を食べると太りますよ。If you turn off the light, it will get dark. 電気を消すと暗くなります。電気を消すと暗くなります。暗いです。This is E adjective. It means dark. But it's dark. 暗いです。But 暗くなります。It will get dark. Today we studied conditional using to. But in this case, today only we studied with dictionary form of the verb and to. Now, this is a quiz time with 5 translations into Japanese. 1番目 If it rains, it will get cold. 2番目 If I go upstairs, I get tired. 3番目 When the typhoon comes, it always rains a lot. Always, always, without any exception. If you go straight this street, there is a station. 5番目、最後です。If you turn right at that corner to the right, okay? Then there will be a very lovely flower shop. Today we studied for the first time conditional sentence using to, but in this case dictionary form of the verb and to. And this is the first part. So there will be the second part. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that can help me very, very much, please. If you want to learn Japanese with me little by little, gradually, then I recommend you to subscribe my channel. いかがでしたか？今日は動詞の辞書形、その後にとをつける仮定文を勉強しました。今日はパート1です。ですから次にもパート2がありますから、ぜひいらしてくださいね。2番目のビデオでは道案内について徹底的に勉強していきたいと思います。このビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。私からのお願いです。それは私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に嬉しいので、ぜひお願いいたします。このように私のチャンネルでは少しずつレベルアップしながら簡単に理解できるようにゆっくりと説明していっています。ですからぜひチャンネル登録なさって私のこのチャンネルと一緒に勉強していただけたらとても嬉しいです。お願いします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。待ってます。じゃあね。